Today we're making Hor Fun Noodles, stir-fried rice noodles in a slurpy, thick egg gravy that is a hawker classic here in Singapore. Very easy to make, so let's go! First, we have to stir-fry the rice noodles or kway teow noodles. In a pan, add some oil, and once it's hot, go ahead and add in the rice noodles here. I have about 400 grams of noodles here. To that, we add in a tablespoon of light soy sauce, as well as a tablespoon of dark soy sauce or a Kicap manis. Give that a stir fry through. Now, we want to get a bit of char on the noodles, so let the noodles sit on the pan like this for a bit. Leave it alone and just don't touch it. After about 1 minute or so, you should get a nice char when you flip it over, just like this. Give the noodles another stir fry and flip it over and just let that sit again to char. Again, for just 1 to 2 minutes is good enough. Once you get some nice charry bits on the noodles, you can just take them off the pan and into a plate and leave it to one side. Using the same pan as before, because of efficiency, we are adding more oil. Once the oil is hot, add in ginger and garlic. Saute that, and the moment it's fragrant, add in chicken. Give the chicken a stir fry and let it cook. You can use whatever proteins you like, by the way. I'm also going to be adding some prawns and crabstick. You can also use squid or fish slices if you like. At this point, I am going to add oyster sauce as well as light soy sauce and stir fry all of that together. Next, I'm tossing in carrots as well as stems from my Chye Sim vegetables, basically the harder parts of your leafy vegetable of choice. Stir fry that through before adding in the rest of your leafy vegetables. Next, add in chicken stock and let the chicken stock come to a boil. Once the stock boils, season it with sugar and salt if you need. Since I used chicken stock from a stock cube, it already has salt in it, so I only needed just a smidge of salt. Okay, the fun part. Give the stock a gentle stir. Now while you're gently stirring it, slowly add in whisked eggs. This is going to give you super silky, sort of stringy eggs in the soup. Very pretty. Finally, add in a cornstarch slurry to make it thick. And one last final seasoning of white pepper. And your gravy is basically done. Let's assemble this. Add the stir-fried noodles from before to a plate. And then simply ladle on the eggy gravy all over the noodles. Serve with pickled green chilies and ta-da! You have a complete meal. Done! This was so easy and this is so slurpy delicious. So give it a go and bye!